Hey guys, I saw a juice recipe that had Brussels sprouts and I thought, wow, that's probably disgusting, but we're gonna try it anyway. Well, we're gonna try a different version of it. The recipe called for kale, but we're using spinach. And this will be a part of our 3-ingredient or less juice recipe series, okay? So the recipe calls for 12 Brussels sprouts. Just got these fresh from the farmer's market. Then it also called for 4 kale leaves, but instead we just did about 1 cup of spinach. It might be like 1 1/2, 1 1/4, I don't know. It's just a bunch of spinach. And then here we have a Honeycrisp apple. Everything's already washed. The work is pretty much done. We're just gonna core our apple. This core is linked on my Amazon storefront, which will be linked down in the description. Check it out. All right, let's do it. So first, we're gonna get our spinach in there. And then let's go with our Brussels sprouts. And let's see. So this is a mess. It's kind of blowing me because I feel like there's so much foam. Just so much foam and barely any juice. I'm just gonna drink the foam. Without the foam, this is like 7 ounces. With the foam, it's like 15. So yeah, most of this came out over here on the pulp end. Hold on, let me wait for this to drop. It's like a turd coming out. Most of this juice ended up coming out on the back end in the pulp. So luckily for me, I dehydrate my pulp and I make juice pulp powder. Exhibit A. So you can never come on here talking about something, oh, you're getting rid of all the fiber. I'm not, okay? This is all the fiber right here. I dehydrate it and I blend it, grind it up, and then I put this like in my smoothies usually. So I got my fiber. Now, even though this did not make much, this juice is definitely gonna pack a punch because Brussels sprouts are amazing for you. They are linked to cancer prevention. They're also very high in vitamins A and K, as well as supporting body detoxification. So Brussels sprouts, I know you may not have liked to eat them growing up. I know I hated them growing up, but it might be all right. Either way, it's a green juice, and we know green juice, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. So just do what you gotta do. That's without all of this foam. Let me just try it like this, and then I'm gonna pour that foam in this jar. This smells real green, mean green, stinking. Oh, it stinks. It was gonna be nasty. But all right, let's do it. Cheers to the green juice. Oh my gosh. That apple. When I tell you that apple saved the day, like I thought it wasn't gonna be enough apple for this to even be sweet. But this actually has a really nice hint of sweetness to it. That's actually quite pleasant. There's almost like a little zing, like I don't know how to explain it. It's like a little zing from the Brussels sprouts. Look at that, y'all. Okay, so, I would actually make this again, you guys. Well, there's our Brussels sprout juice. So make sure that you subscribe for more juicing videos. And remember, this is part of our 3-ingredient or less series. So if you are a beginner juicer, this is a series for you, okay? Juicing does not have to be super complicated. Drop me a comment down below and let me know if you would try Brussels sprout juice. Because I know it sounds crazy, but this is a great way. Like if you got some little kids that don't like Brussels sprouts, this is a good way to sneak them in. You know, you might have to jazz it up a little bit more. That's good. See y'all next time.